Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Audi A5 into sport mode. This feature significantly enhances your driving experience by sharpening engine response and optimizing gear shifts. To begin, ensure your vehicle is running and you are in a safe, stationary position or driving at a moderate speed. The process is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps, giving you immediate access to a more exhilarating ride. Once you're ready, locate your automatic gear selector. From the D or drive position, simply pull the lever back one additional time. You will feel a slight click, and the gear indicator on your instrument cluster will change from D to S, signifying that sport mode is now active. This quick action immediately tells your car to prepare for a more spirited performance, holding gears longer and downshifting more aggressively. Beyond the gear selector, your Audi A5 also features the Drive Select system, offering further customization. You can access this through your MMI display or dedicated buttons near the gear lever. Selecting dynamic mode within Drive Select will further enhance the sport mode experience, adjusting steering, suspension, and engine characteristics. You can also create an individual profile to tailor specific settings to your personal preferences, giving you ultimate control. Engaging sport mode offers several exciting benefits. You will immediately notice quicker acceleration and a much more responsive throttle, making your A5 feel more agile. The transmission holds gears longer, allowing the engine to reach higher RPMs before shifting. This mode is ideal for spirited driving on winding roads, quick overtaking maneuvers, or simply when you desire a more engaging and dynamic connection with your vehicle. Enjoy the enhanced performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.